Welcome to Kids Vision TV.
Hi kids! Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful glitter birthday cake. Let's start. Now draw two curved lines going downward. Connect them with another curved line to make the cake body. First, draw a big oval shape for the top of the cake. Draw a wavy cream line around the cake. Make it look soft and yummy. Add curved ribbon lines under the flowers. Now draw cute flowers on the sides and middle of the cake. Draw 5 lovely hearts around the bottom of the cake. Big hearts and small hearts make it extra cute. Now let's add 5 candles on top of the cake. Draw long, thin rectangles. Add small flames on top of each candle. Outline the drawing. Trace all the lines with a black marker so the cake looks bright and clear. Start coloring.
Yellow color. Let's color the layer of the cake with yellow color.
Color the top of the cake pink. Use yellow for the cream layer. Color the middle layer blue. Make the hearts pink and blue. Add glitter. Now sprinkle glitter colors to make the cake sparkle. Use pink, blue, yellow, purple, green, and orange glitter.
Color. Let's color the top of the cake with pink color and coloring the moon. Light pink color. Let's color in candle and flower too with light pink color. color. Let's color the fire with orange color. Sky blue color. Let's color the middle layer with the sky blue color. Purple color. Let's color in candle with purple color. Line again.
Wow, our glitter birthday cake looks amazing and magical. Great job, kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and draw with us again. Bye-bye.
Subscribe us for more videos.